Hi. So today's topic is Google. Google Incorporation is an American search engine company founded in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page during their college days at Stanford University. Its headquarters are located at Mountain View, California. Over the last decades, Google has grown into a globally acknowledged market force for its service provision, business model, efforts in development of technology, and human life influence. Google identifies among the leading search engines available in the world market. Its reliability in terms of matching results and simple design of the website has attracted a respectable fraction of global population. Some of the main competitors of Google were Amazon, Yahoo, Amazon, and Bing. Google has managed to fight off competition from these companies to command close to 85% of internet searches. Google began as an online search firm, but it now offers more than 50 internet services and products, from email and online document creation to software for mobile phones and tablet computers. Google's brand, product portfolio, and size make it one of the top four influential companies in the high tech marketplace, along with Apple, IBM, and Microsoft. Google.com is the most visited website in the world. Several other Google services also figure in the top 100 most visited websites, including YouTube and Blogger. In 2002, Yahoo tried to acquire Google for $3 billion, but Google turned down the deal as it felt it was worth at least $5 billion. Today, Google and its parent company Alphabet is now worth $1 trillion, and Yahoo, on the other hand, sold to Verizon in 2017 just under $5 billion. On April 2004, Gmail Google launched Gmail to the public with 1 GB of storage and advanced search capabilities. Google offers services designed for work and productivity like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and for scheduling and time management, Google Calendar, cloud storage, Google Drive, and instant messaging and video chat, Duo and Hangout, language translation, Google Translate, and mapping and navigation, Google Maps. Google Docs was marketed as a direct competitor to Microsoft's Office suite. In 2008, Google released Chrome, a web browser with advanced JavaScript engine better suited for running programs within the browser. In 2012, Chrome surpassed Microsoft Internet Explorer to become the most popular web browser and, as of now, has maintained its leads over IE, Mozilla Firefox, and Apple's Safari. Google acquired Android Incorporation in 2005, which at that time had not released any products. But now Android is leading the mobile phone industry. Google has multiple ways of generating revenue beyond private investments and selling shares of its stock. Google uses several methods to partner with merchant and advertisers like Google Pay, Google Ads, Google AdSense, and Google Analytics. Google generates its main revenue through Google Ads and Google AdSense. Google owns millions of servers on server farms throughout the world that provide services from search to storage to Google users everywhere. Google uses more than 2 million custom servers in more than a dozen data centers around the globe to make their products perform well. The company now employs nearly 1 lakh people around the world and Sundar Pichai is Google's CEO now, and Google stands by its mission that to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google is the most valuable brand in the world. Thank you.